Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to unbox this watercolor painting set that I found at Hobby Lobby. And there were a couple of them, or a couple of different ones. You may be familiar with Lindsay, the Frugal crafter. She has a YouTube channel, and she does a lot of art projects, craft projects, and I believe she's an art teacher, or maybe had been an art teacher, but I know she does a lot of tutorials online, and there were several boxes or several kits. There was one that was, I think, with watercolor pencils. It's I think, watercolor drawing, so it had pencils and little pan palettes, and this one had the paints. So I decided to get this one. There were also a couple of different designs, so I wanted to try this one out with the landscape and the dragonfly. She probably has a tutorial on it, you know, and it's not like I really need other kits, but I love having art stuff, art supplies, so I decided why not. So again, I got this at Hobby Lobby. So it was $17.99, so it's dragonfly and marsh. It says with step-by-step instruction, includes 12 watercolor paints, 4 watercolor artist brushes, graphite pencil, eraser, pencil sharpener, palette, palette knife, the watercolor artist pad, and instructional guidebook. So as you can see, here are the brushes, and let me see if I can get this in shot. So it's from Royal and Langnickel. So that's the front of it. And then here's the back that shows more in detail as to what's inside. I have a palette knife, but I have the metal one that I used to use for my oil painting. And so this is the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and let's take a look and see. There were also other kits, I think, on drawing. I didn't get that one because I have quite a bit on drawing. Sorry for the noise. I take this out, and it was by another instructor. I really didn't look to see more in detail as to who the instructor was, but I know Lindsay from the Frugal Crafter. So here's the eraser and the pencil sharpener, and here are the brushes. So let me open this up here so we can take a look. So here's this one is yellow ochre. Also comes with white, with black. Doesn't say what kind of black, but there may be a coat on there. I know there's different blacks. Burnt umber, burnt sienna, sap green, deep green. Let's see if I can, the sun is shining, so Prussian blue, violet, crimson red lake, and vermilion. Looks like a little bit may come out there. So those are the colors. And oh, actually, I'm sorry, I missed one here. There's also, whoops, this lemon yellow. All right, and then they're taped down to secure them, but it also comes with a graphite HB pencil. This is the palette knife. So I'm curious to see how this works in watercolor, unless it's to mix the paints. And then the brushes. Let's see what size brushes. So here's a flat brush. It's a size 18. If you can see it there. There we go. Size 18. This looks like it's a round brush in a size 10. There's also this one, which is a size 6. And then this one, which is a size 2. So here's the booklet. So she goes over, or the booklet goes over the watercolor paint, how to make light and translucent designs, mixing colors, the setup for the first drawing, and then the setup for the second drawing. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And then here's the palette, which you can hold like this, mix your colors. So that's great. Always can use other palettes. And then here's a watercolor artist pad. So let's see. I wanted to see if it said if it had said the whether it was cold press or hot press, but I'm going to leave that for now because I have other watercolor pads. But just wanted to show you. So again, it comes with all these paints and the 4 brushes, the palette, the pencil, the sharpener, the eraser, and the palette knife. So this is just an unboxing. I will go ahead and when I start to do one of the paintings, I'll go ahead and I'll do a video on that. But this again, I'm sure probably everyone knows Lindsay, the Frugal Crafter. Go ahead and check out her channel and her videos if you are not aware of what she does, but she does a lot of art and she's a fun YouTuber. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. I hope you subscribed so that when I start to do one of these paintings, you can maybe follow along with me and check it out. If you have one of these kits, let me know. I'd like to know, especially if you have a YouTube channel and you are showing that, I'd be interested to see what those kits look like too. All right, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care and have a great day. Bye.